Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to build a Halloween decoration since Halloween is so close to the day of our shooting. And if today is your first visit to our channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If it is your birthday, we want to extend you a very happy birthday. So stick around and as we're going to go to the work area and see what we're going to build for you today. Alright friends, for today's project I went downstairs in my pallet collection and I got some pallet wood. So the wood again for this project will be absolutely free. And I also put the zero plate homemade, the zero clearance homemade plate on the saw. And we have not used that before, so that's a first for us today. We'll see how that will go. And stick around and you're going to see how we're going to work with it. So we started by drawing the overall frame that we want, not frame, shape that we want. And we approximately want this to be around this big. So we're going to use a Dremel cutting wheel to cut it. Alright folks, we were going for scary and I think that's scary enough. I'm not very good as far as artistic things, but again this is not supposed to be a perfect portrait, but something that will be scary. So some of you will be much more artistic than I am and you will do this much better. So now we're going to start cutting the pieces to the dimensions we need. Remember, this is intended to be rough, so don't be too focused on making everything perfect. So using our face as the template, we're going to cut the back. But we won't be able to use that because
The whole thing just split. That was awesome.
Welcome to using pallet wood for your builds, right? Take 2. What do you know? So, should we make 4 all the same and just have 2 dimensions, or?
Yeah.
This is intended to be a fun and fast build. As you can see, we're not spending a lot of time. Well, we never spend a lot of time in measuring, but we're not spending a lot of time in design either. Dang it!
I thought you were gonna luck out.
I thought we were going to luck out too.
Bummer.
It's okay. We have allergies. I got much more than I needed on purpose. So that probably won't work because of this.
Well, you can cut that off.
No, because this is half.
Oh, okay. It's gonna split if you do it.
Most certainly. I think it's funny that this didn't split. Alright, and this is temporary decoration, so I'm going to just brad nail it and then find out why my saw is making that horrible sound. So, we can do it either outside or inside. What do you think is better? Like this?
Yes.
So we've brad nailed most of the box, and now we're going to finish by brad nailing the top. Alright, and now we'll need to figure out a way to make a top here, right? We want to create some friction fitting for the top. And I needed an excuse to use my Japanese saw. We need to take this off. Alright friend, our basic structure is ready, and we have created a friction fit, so when we put our tea light,
Don't move so fast. I can't follow you with the camera. Okay?
sorry, but as you can see, that's just a friction fit, and you do want your friction fit to be tight, right? And now we're going to cut some pieces to create the top. Maybe. Our switch is having some difficulties, I don't know why. And the idea is to make something that's the same size as this, right?
Right.
So let us find an appropriate size piece of. That will be appropriate.
Yeah.
Correct. Do you want me to clear it?
Yeah, I want you to clear the edge before we cut the size. There's rustic and then there's dangerous.
Okay. So we want it to be the same dimension, right?
Mm-hmm.
And again, we chose to work with the wood in order to minimize our work, right?
Yeah.
So this was already broken, and it adds some character to the whole piece. Huh?
I'll have to check and see which one is closer. Okay, yeah.
I think this one.
Yeah, looks good. So the wood is splitting naturally and we're just working with that to make the shape and the pieces we need.
And now we're going to put that on. Not the difficulty. We need to figure out how we want this. Like this? What do you think?
Yeah, I like that.
All right, folks, let us.
Yeah, I was just going to show them. This has some slight indentations in it, which is going to give it a really nice rustic feel.
All right, friends, and this is a quick and easy way to create a jack-o'-lantern for the holidays, either for a gift or to decorate your own house. We plan to put an LED tea light inside. I would not recommend, especially since this is pallet wood and it's very, very dry, I would not recommend actually using a flame inside here. But definitely a nice LED small light will make this a very, very appropriate decoration. And as you see, we almost went out of our way, which is hard in order to make it look straight and up and at the same time look like you didn't measure anything. We're so good at that though. But I mean, as you can see all around, this looks very rustic. What do you think?
I like it.
So last year we built this for Halloween, and I'm going to put a link up here if you want to watch this build. And this is a multi-function decoration. What can we do with it, Alpida?
You could put candy in it if you wanted to, but you could also put like a planter in here, like with mums, and then the mums would go over it. It would look really nice as a fall decoration. You could also put scented pine cones in there. Have those in your house as long as you don't have any critters that are going to chew them up like we do. There's just a lot of things you could put in there.
So every year we try to build something different. We don't want to repeat our projects, but again, this is from last year. And if you want to build that, I already have put on the left corner the link to go and find this. And now in our household we have two pieces of decorations that we have built. And actually this also was free, right? Last year. We
Not
used
completely free, but these were the
leftover plants.
Yeah, the slats. We've been using a lot of those in these projects.
Maybe we bought paint, I don't remember.
We did. That was like $1.
I really like this. Alright, and we're going to show it to you in a moment how it looks lit up. Friends, this concludes our episode for today. I think this decoration came out very nicely. I'm very pleased with the result. I hope you enjoyed this quick build, and if you did, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what you would like to see in the channel. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a fair week.